In the world of wellness, ancient traditions are making a powerful comeback, and one of the most intriguing is navel oiling, also known as nabhi chikitsa or nabhi abhyanga. This time-tested practice involves applying warm, natural oils to the belly button navel, which is believed to be a vital energy and nerve center connected to various parts of the body. Simple, soothing, and deeply nourishing, navel oiling may be the holistic health ritual your body and mind have been craving. What is navel oiling? Navel oiling is the act of applying a few drops of pure oil, commonly sesame, mustard, coconut, or castor oil, directly into the belly button. Rooted in Ayurvedic and other ancient healing systems, this practice is thought to balance the body's doshas, vata, pitta, kapha, detoxify the system, and support overall well-being. In many Eastern cultures, the navel is seen not just as a physical center, but a spiritual one, a gateway to life, connected to over 72,000 veins and nerves. In Ayurveda, it's referred to as the Pachoti gland, and applying oil here is believed to help distribute therapeutic properties throughout the body. Potential benefits of navel oiling. While scientific research on navel oiling is still limited, anecdotal evidence and centuries of tradition suggest several possible benefits. 1. Improved digestion. Oiling the navel may stimulate the digestive system and help relieve bloating, constipation, and indigestion. 2. Hormonal balance. Many believe it supports reproductive health and can help balance hormones, especially in women. 3. Skin and lip nourishment. Applying oil to the belly button can help hydrate dry skin and chapped lips from the inside out. 4. Better sleep and mood. Oiling with calming oils like lavender or coconut before bed can promote relaxation and deeper sleep. 5. Detoxification. Some practitioners claim that navel oiling helps flush toxins and clears energy blockages in the body. Which oils are best for different wellness to navel oiling? 1. Coconut oil, best for skin hydration, cooling the body, reducing inflammation. Why? Naturally antibacterial and antifungal, coconut oil is great for soothing dry skin, calming irritated areas, and reducing body heat. Ideal for hot climates, pitta imbalance, Ayurveda, chapped lips, skin glow. 2. Castor oil, best for detox, joint pain, constipation relief. Why? Known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and laxative properties, castor oil is excellent for deep cleansing and relieving pain. Ideal for joint pain, menstrual cramps, sluggish digestion, toxin removal. 3. Sesame oil, best for warming the body, balancing vata, joint and muscle support. Why? Rich in antioxidants and warming qualities, sesame oil is deeply nourishing for nerves, joints, and dry skin. Ideal for cold climates, anxiety, poor circulation, dry skin. 4. Mustard oil, best for improving blood circulation, fighting infections, warming the body. Why? A natural stimulant, mustard oil increases circulation and can help clear up respiratory issues. Ideal for cold weather, sluggish energy, skin issues like acne. 5. Neem oil, best for antibacterial and skin healing properties. Used in Ayurveda for skin conditions and purifying the blood, neem oil helps treat infections and inflammation. Ideal for acne-prone skin, detoxifying inflammation. 6. Almond oil, best for skin nourishment, hormonal balance, and overall glow. Why? Rich in vitamin E and healthy fats, almond oil is great for improving skin tone and calming the nervous system. Ideal for hormonal support, dark circles, glowing skin. Bonus tip, you can add essential oils like lavender for sleep or peppermint for digestion to any base oil for added benefits, just a drop or two. How to do it? Performing navel oiling is easy and can be done in just a few minutes. Step 1, choose a high-quality, cold-pressed oil suited to your needs. Step 2, warm the oil slightly, optional. Step 3, lie down comfortably and place 2 to 3 drops of oil in your belly button. Step 4, gently massage around the navel in a circular motion for a few minutes. Step 5, let it absorb for at least 10 to 15 minutes or leave overnight. You can repeat this daily or a few times a week, ideally in the morning or before bedtime. Navel oiling is more than just a quirky wellness trend. It's a calming, restorative ritual with ancient roots. Whether you're looking to boost digestion, nourish your skin, or simply reconnect with your body in a gentle, loving way, this simple practice offers a beautiful gateway to inner balance and holistic health. Why not give it a try? Your belly button might just hold the secret to better well-being.